Yeah, Janae Anderson joining us now live from PC Laptops. Janae, it means so much more internet use, computer use, laptops, you name it.
Yeah, we've got homework, we've got people working from home, all of this put together. Plus, there's another virus going around, and it's not just COVID-19. We've got malware and viruses traveling around on people's computers. That's why we're here with Dan Young. He's with PC Laptops. Tell us one of the common problems that people are seeing right now from home as they're trying to work.
So viruses and malware right now are rampant, and the reason is everyone's logging in to check their brokerage accounts and things like that. So the scammers are trying to steal your passwords and information. And that's also slowing down internet quite a bit, though, with the malware infections.
Okay, so how do you fix it? What do you recommend?
So an important thing first is get your computer scanned to make sure that you don't have any of it infecting your computer, and then you can get great software to protect your computer from getting future infections.
And we were talking earlier, and you said if you have the virus, it's not just bad for you, but it can be bad for your neighbors as well, correct?
Yeah, what can happen is with viruses and malware, it can bog down your whole network in your house. And right now, because everyone's on the internet, if there's a bunch of people sucking a lot of bandwidth, though, that can really tax the neighborhood.
Okay, so are you guys open to take people in who are struggling with this problem?
Yes, right now we have a limited amount of people that can be in the store, but people can check their computers in, and we'll scan them for free.
Okay, and you said like wait in your car, book your appointment, things like that if you really need to take your computer in right now?
Yeah, because we're limiting just a couple people allowed in each store at a time, though, but we have plenty of technicians there to make sure things are taken care of.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Dan. When we come back, we're going to talk about different ways to increase your internet speed. If you're not dealing with the virus, you still may be struggling with internet speed, so we'll show you how to fix that when we come back.